Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect Gamepad to your Android phone or Android tablet, whether it is wired, wireless or Bluetooth. So let's get started. So there are three main types of Gamepad. First is wired with USB receiver like this, and second Gamepad comes with Bluetooth controllers. For wired Gamepad guys, you will need an OTG adapter. As you can see guys, okay, you need to have this OTG simple adapter. Plug the OTG into your phone charging port. So I have this Android tablet, so I will simply plug this in my Type-C charging port like this. This is plug and play, and then you need to connect your Gamepad USB cable to this adapter. So I have the Gamepad that support wired and wireless. So just you need to simply plug this USB cable into your adapter, and one end this will connect on the Gamepad. Okay, that's it. In case the Gamepad is not connecting successfully, at that time you need to enable the OTG connection developer option on your Android phone like this in the settings, and here you need to search OTG connection. Simply you need to enable this, and then also you need to enable the developer option as well. Scroll down and find out about, and just simply tap on build number continuously 6 to 7 times and enable the developer option. After enabling the developer option, and simply scroll down and enable the USB debugging option. Now that's it, you are good to go. You can use your wired Gamepad with your Android. For wireless Gamepad with USB receiver, as you can see guys, I have the USB receiver as well. So just for this Gamepad, plug the receiver into a OTG adapter like this. Same process you need to follow what I have shown already for wired Gamepad. Simply you need to connect this adapter to your phone once again. Now the Gamepad is turned on. If the Gamepad is not turning on, here you can get one dedicated button to turn it on. So I have this button, just simply I will press it. That's it. So as you can see guys, the Gamepad is not turned on. Now you can easily enjoy your games on your Android phone as well. So in case the Gamepad is still not turning on, also you need to double check the OTG connection setting on your phone, and same you need to enable the developer option, USB debugging option, all these settings. Okay, and now you are good to go. You can easily able to use your Gamepad to your Android phone. In case if you have a Bluetooth Gamepad, in that case you need to turn on your controller and press and pair button. Okay, here in the Gamepad you can get one dedicated button to turn on the Bluetooth, and then on your phone you need to open the settings, and here you need to tap on pair new device. Just tap on it. Now it will detect your Gamepad name, and just you need to simply select it and pair this Gamepad to your Android phone. That's it. Now you are good to go. You can easily able to play games on your Android phone as well. Okay, so this method I will show you in my tablet. This same method you can try in your Android phone as well. After connecting successfully guys, now you need to open any game that support the controller or download Gamepad tester from the Google Play Store. Check all button responding or not. Okay, so I have connected this Gamepad successfully to my Android. As you can see us, now the game is playing very perfectly fine. And that's it, how you can connect any Gamepad to your Android phone easily. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.